Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Another week, another video, and in this video I am doing a skincare routine. I've come a long way from using beauty skincare products to using nothing at all. Honestly, I go to sleep and I don't put anything on my face. Firstly, I don't have to spend any money because everything that I'm using is super affordable, super cheap. Secondly, my skin is feeling great sans products, sans chemicals. I'm going to show you each and everything and every step that I'm using on my skin. So everything in this video that I'm going to show you is probably going to be below 2,000 or 3,000 rupees, and that is amazing. This skincare routine is not just for girls, it's also for boys, because let's face it, some boys also have bad skin and they're clueless about it, or they think that it's uncool for them to do anything because they're boys. So if you're a boy and you've happened to click on this video, great job. So keep watching, boys and girls, and let's see my skincare routine and what is working for me. So that's me, Anushae. I have been really enjoying using a derma roller, and what a derma roller essentially does is that it helps in stimulating the blood flow of the nerves that are on your face. So I first make sure that the derma roller is completely disinfected, and then I use this alcohol swab and I clean the area where I'm going to be rubbing the derma roller, and then I just take the derma roller and I rub it on my face. Not rub it, like gently use the roller on my face very lightly, very gently, and I use it in different directions to make sure that it covers all the areas where I have a little bit of acne scarring. You can use this if you have active acne as well. It's very good in taking care of that. So next up, the thing which is the most important is getting rid of blackheads. Now I'm using this charcoal magnetic blackhead mask, which I will link down below in the description to see if you want to buy it. And this mask, what it does is if you use it like twice a month or maybe once every week, it will get rid of every single blackhead on your face without having to do much, and I've been absolutely loving it. So the last step of my skincare routine that I've been doing is using this magnetic mask, which is a Chinese skincare brand, and this mask is super hydrating. So after I've done like the derma roller and I've used the blackhead removal mask, this mask hydrates my face and restores the glow. So you can put this mask on 15 minutes and do whatever you want, like paint your nails or even do push-ups. Now I am really bad at push-ups, as you can see I'm struggling, but this mask really restores the glow and like the softness to my face. I really enjoy how my skin looks after that as well. It just feels very plumpy and very fresh, and I think the scarring really looks a lot less, and my makeup goes on very smooth when I use this mask. And I have been loving this. My skin has been loving these minimalist products. Now some other things that have worked for me have been the Hamdard Ki Saafi. This really purifies your blood. It tastes absolutely horrible, but it does so much. And another thing that makes your skin really good, which I like using, is green tea. You can use any green tea that is available in the market and just have it every day. Do not use sugar because sugar is not good for your skin, and just have it. I hope you enjoyed that skincare routine / tutorial, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I am trying to reach 200,000 subscribers by the end of this year, so help me in achieving that target. It would mean a lot to me, and now I will see you in my next week's video. Bye.